I am about to tell you a story, a true story about finding lost treasure while walking on a beach. Let me first relax you. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your belly like a balloon. Hold it. Now exhale slowly. Through slightly parted lips, releasing tension you've held all day. Notice your feet. Let them sink heavy into the surface beneath you, as if the earth itself is supporting you. Now your jaw. Allow it to loosen. Teeth slightly apart. Tongue resting gently. With each exhale, imagine yourself on that Florida beach. Warm sand beneath you. The rhythm of the waves pulling you deeper. A local carpenter named Mark was beachcombing after a storm when he saw it. A glint of unnatural yellow, barely peeking through the wet sand. At first, he thought it was a bottle cap, then maybe a toy coin. But as he dug, his fingers scraped against something heavier. What emerged was a corroded tin, no larger than a deck of cards. Its hinges giving way as he pried it open. Inside, 22 gold coins tumbled out, covered in sand, each stamped with the cross of Spain. In the year 1715. Their worth today? Over $1 million. And yes, he got to keep them. Under Florida law. Treasure found on public beaches belongs to the finder. These coins sailed on the 1715 treasure fleet, a convoy of ships which had been carrying stolen New World gold back to King Philip V. But on July 31st, fate has other plans. A hurricane struck, scattering the ships along what we now call Florida's Treasure Coast. Mark's coins were just a handful of the $400 million worth, still hidden beneath these waves. So as you drift off tonight, imagine your feet in the warm, wet sands and your own hands brushing against gold, while the ocean sighs its ancient lullaby